Hello, everyone. Today we'll bring you the latest tutorial about how to convert Amazon Music by TuneBoto. First, open TuneBoto on your computer. Then you will find the main interface like this. If you want to download the Amazon Music with Ultra HD quality, you can select Convert Music from Amazon Music app. This way needs you download Amazon Music app on your computer first. If you don't have the Amazon Music app, you can choose Amazon Music Web Player. TuneBoto has a built-in web player and you can convert Amazon Music from here and retain HD quality. Here, let's choose Amazon Music Web Player first. The Amazon Music Web Player will pop up at the same time. If not, you can click this button to open it. Let's go to the Settings tab. Here you change the output and conversion settings freely, including conversion mode, output format, bitrate, sample rate, and more. If you want to save the lyrics, you can check this option and the lyrics files will be saved in the output folder you set. When you finish your settings, go to the Home tab. And now you can open the Amazon Music web player by clicking here. Now you need to choose the region and log into your Amazon Music account first. After that, you can browse to find the playlist or album you want. Open it and click the blue button in the lower right corner. Then TuneBoto will list all the songs in a new window. You can uncheck all the songs and select what you need. Then click Add to add them to the conversion list. If you want to add more songs from different playlists, you can click Add More to go back to the previous step. When you select all the songs you want, just click Convert to start conversion. Now you just need to wait quietly for the conversion to complete. When the conversion is completed, the output folder will pop up automatically. Or you can go to the converted module to view the downloaded songs. So this is how to record music from the web player. If you want to record from the Amazon Music app, just select the app option. Then follow the same steps to set your output settings. Go to the Amazon Music app interface that opens automatically, find the playlist you want to convert, and drag it to the TuneBoto page. Or copy its link into the parsing box, and then TuneBoto will start parsing and pop up a new window. The next steps are still the same as in the web player. Select the songs you want and click Add. After adding all the songs, tap Convert to start the conversion. Then wait for the download to complete. That's all our tutorials for this time. Welcome to subscribe to us. We will continue to share various tips about Amazon Music in the future.